should subscribe if you want to see this beautiful space so bad. Just saying. Just putting it out there. But anyways, we're going to jump right into this video.
Hey guys. So, Roblox is being a little glitchy. We just have to wait. But I'm gonna play Escape Kitchen Obby. But yeah, it looks like a fun game. And also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. And also, make sure to add me as a friend on Roblox. My name is Pickle Bro Guy. I know, a weird name, but I'm Pickle, so here we go. And also, this is my real voice, so it's kind of weird, but okay. Evil bread, great way to start off. Oh, wow. Okay. This looks like a good obby. And yeah. Ooh, dang it. What? That was so like last minute. There we go. Now I know this camera trick, and I know everyone does it, but it's kind of like, there we go. This one's probably gonna be see-through. Yep, it's see-through, and then this one's like an actual platform. This one is really hard. Yeah. Dang it! Dang it again. Dang it! Why is this one so hard? There's a secret video that I can't really talk about. You know, I'm just not gonna talk about it, but like, there was a thing like this, like a like one of these things, and they took forever for me to do. I don't know why, but they're just so hard. That second one, though, man. Yes. Yes. Dude! Comment down below what Roblox hobby you would like me to do. Because, you know, I'm always up for making Roblox videos. Why is this so hard? Okay, yeah. So my friend has this new channel out, and I think her channel is going to be named Awesome Avos. So if you would subscribe to her channel, that'd be great. Her name is, I don't know if she wants to share her name online, but her name is a name. It's a she. There we go. Oh yeah. And oh no, dang it. These ones always get me because I'm usually like climbing up a ladder, and when I'm climbing up a ladder, I don't really care, man, if there's anything in the way. So then, like, I always now have to check to see if there's a red line like that. Ah, dang it. There we go. There we go. I don't want to jinx myself or anything, but these are starting to get really easy. And I said that as I died. The only part I don't like about these obbies is like if you die and like you fall on like one of the obby courses like this. And it's super annoying. So oh yeah, there we go. Dang it. Dang it! Why? I just fell right off there. For some reason, in these games, I'm just horrible at obbies. I don't know why, but I just am. Obbies have never really been my thing, but here I am playing one. I really like doing story games because, yeah. Let me know in the comments if you want me to play Field Trip Z, because I definitely will. I love Field Trip Z, and there's this new update and everything. But, alright. Oh, dang it, why? And also, why you can't see my face right now is because if we get to 20 likes, I'll do a face reveal. Alright, so if you really want to see my face that bad, then, well, not 20 likes, 20 subscribers. If you really want to see my face that bad, make sure to subscribe, guys. Like, really. You want it that bad. Sometimes I get annoyed with the people that don't show their faces in all the YouTube videos. But this one, I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. I was going backwards. Probably because it teleports you backwards, but. And plus there's an arrow on my head and everything. Yeah. I know well, I'm bad at talking. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry you didn't want someone quirky on YouTube. Someone horrible at talking. I'm just really bad at making up conversation with no one, just talking to myself. But anywho, I was gonna do an animation thing. Wait, I was gonna do an animation thing, like a animation YouTube channel, but I don't know. It just seemed like it would take forever to make. And I don't really want to do that, to be honest. I just kind of want to like make a YouTube video and call it a day. I don't want to spend hours on just making a YouTube channel. But I appreciate those people that just make YouTube videos that take long work, because I personally know how long it takes to do those, to edit your voice, and then to like make these like 5-minute long animation things. It's just so hard. So I really appreciate everyone that does that. And I really like Himanations, Odd Ones Out, all those guys. I appreciate all you guys. So, dang it. And also, I like gamer people too. I like a variety of people. Because, I don't know, I give them all credit. They take their time in their day just to make one little YouTube video. I really like Dennis Daly, Preston Plays, all those people. So yeah. Did I? Okay. Sometimes Roblox does this glitch where like you jump, but then it like teleports you to the other side. That's what happened here. Why do I keep falling? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm horrible at these obbies, as I probably told you like 7 times already, but like, I'm just bad. I'm just so bad. Ugh! We're going to make it to the top of this, hopefully. Oh yeah, the top isn't that far away. I hope I'm not talking your guys' ear off, because that might just be happening. Eee! Little triangle. That one's kind of weird. Cancel. Oh, and I also hate how Roblox games, like, they put all these like different things around in the way, and it's like, well, I don't even want that, so. And then you have to press cancel every time you step on one. It's super annoying. Boop, poop, boop, ba-doop. Why? Okay. That was really annoying how I fell there. There you go. Okay. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. I'm a champion. Now with the thing that's happening now these days that I probably can't talk about, or else I'll get demonetized. What have you guys been doing, like, to have fun and stuff, especially since it's in the summer? I mean, my family, we still go out to restaurants. I mean, you know. But anywho, I've been trying to make YouTube videos over these past days, and they don't really work out. But you know, I'm always trying, and I'm also making some art. I really like designing clothes and making people. I don't know, art is just kind of my thing. There we go. So yeah, also comment down below. There's a lot of things to comment now. Sorry guys. This is my first time ever being on a YouTube video, so I don't want to make my impression bad, but like, I'm kind of have to just be myself. But like, what Roblox game is your favorite? Mine, I would probably say, is most definitely... Dang it, what's that? Oh, Break-In. It's either Break-In or... I don't know. Just Break-In is such a good game. But at the same time... I don't know. Like those games where like they kind of have like a story. It's like, we're going to rob the casino. Let's go. And they have like a main character. And there's money scattered all around and you do obbies. I like those a lot. Because they aren't like filled with obbies. But like they still have obbies in them. And they're kind of like good for me to practice stuff with, and I don't know, I just like them. And they kind of seem like they're hard to make, which I also really appreciate Piggy. That one was good. I just love how the story went. I'm so excited for Piggy 2. They announced that Piggy 2 is officially happening, and, you know, I'm excited. Why? Yeah. Sorry, I've been really quiet. These I really have to focus on. And I'm gonna be dead now. These are so hard. Let me. There we go. Yeah. No! Well, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. I'm just saying, like, if I ever got this done, this would be the last thing, and there's no prize thing at all. You just land on that check mark, and then you basically are done with the obby. I don't really like these obbies. Like, I don't know. They just seem like they didn't put that much effort into them. Like, they just put a bunch of different kinds of obbies and then called it a day. But, yeah. So, see you guys later and have a nice day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Bye!